Hello, good morning. Now, from this video, no tips from friends. Okay? We all have friends and we love our friends and we have a special relationship with them. But in terms of financial information, you should be very careful not to accept anything that someone tells you. Now, friends tend to share some financial information with others. Most of the time, they have little knowledge about the market. But because of trust, we accept tips from friends. But we shouldn't. Okay? How can someone he has no knowledge about the market and how things work and he can advise you? Okay? So you and him, if you don't know the market, you are on the same page. So his idea or his opinion is the same as yours. So from now on, don't accept any advice from any friend because by this training course, you will know everything you need to run your trading business. That's why you take this course. Okay? You take this course to make it clear for you everything you need to know. And then when you begin to trade or you begin later to invest, you have an idea what you are doing. So even if you want to invest in a company, you should do it by yourself. Okay? You should learn more about yourself and decide by yourself. Yes, it needs time to learn, but believe me, it is worth it. Okay? So from now on, try to do things by yourself and rely on yourself only, because if you take a tip from your friend to buy something and then your friend is not anymore your friend or wherever, you don't know what to do with your investment. Okay? So thank you very much and have a nice day.